Hi, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Yes, you know 2024 is coming soon and I think we are having holiday for 1 week. So can you tell me where do you want to go in your next holiday and why do you want to go there? Okay, what about you?
In next holiday, I won't go anywhere. I just gather with my friend and planning a New Year party.
Oh, stay at home?
Yes.
Okay, all right, next, what about you?
On my next holiday, I wanna go to Baturagan because the air is cool and the nature is beautiful.
Okay, this is in Purwokerto, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. What about you?
In my next holiday, I want to go to Bogor. It has beautiful beaches.
Okay, you want to go there. Bogor. Next, what about you?
My next holiday, I want to go to Bogor. I want to swim at Cilember Waterfall.
Okay, you want to swim there. Thank you. Next, where do you want to go?
In the next holiday, I want to go to Jambi because I want a holiday and meet my cousin.
Okay, thank you. What about you?
In the next holiday, I want to go Tasikmalaya because I want to go to Pangandaran Beach for vacation.
Okay, you want to go to Tasikmalaya. What about you?
I want to go on a holiday to Medan because I have a family there.
Are you from Medan?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Next, what about you? Where do you want to go?
In the next holiday, I want to go to Sukabumi because that's my mother hometown.
Okay, thank you. What about you? Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Jepara. I want to go to holiday this week. Yeah, I want to beach.
Okay, thank you. Next.
I want to go to Yogyakarta because I miss the charm Malioboro market.
Okay, what about you?
I want to go to Singkarak because Vihara Amphatakum.
Okay, Singkawang. Is that Kalimantan?
Yes, Kalimantan Barat.
Okay, thank you. What about you? Where do you want to go?
In next holiday, I want to plan with Mount Gede, Pangrango, because I'm exploring beauty flora.
Okay, thank you, and I hope you have a happy holiday. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.